Something that seems a little bit more near future, Tesla semi-truck coming in December with the first deliveries to Pepsi. Those are going to be some good-looking Pepsi trucks, I'll tell you what.
Yes.
Picture them all painted up with the blue and the red in the futuristic electric truck. Excited to announce. Here's the tweet. Start of production of Tesla semi-truck with deliveries to Pepsi on December 1st. Ready for all those Christmas deliveries of the beverages for the holidays. People have been waiting for this one for a while. It's less interesting to me than the Roadster or something, or even the Cybertruck, but it does have massive implications. Delivery trucks put a ton of miles on the road, and obviously there's emissions involved and fuel consumption and big questions around the electrification of delivery vehicles at this scale. Pretty cool looking truck. What do you say, Will?
I just noticed that the driver is in the center.
You like that?
Something to get used to, I guess.
Well, the thing
I mean, it's self-driving.
That's what I was going to say. It's what was it?
Really
He could be sleeping in the back there. Well, no, I'm kidding. Got to monitor these systems. It was a joke.
But it looks cool. I would like to see it in Pepsi colors when brands start branding their own Tesla trucks.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if there's any restrictions on what they can and can't do.
Right.
I wonder, but no, you got to be able to paint it because, listen, these things are giant billboards that move around. I just saw the Coca-Cola one today. I mean, it wasn't a Tesla truck, but a regular truck, but with the Coca-Cola on the side. They're moving billboards. Well,
yeah.
So you got to have it. With the Tesla Semi expected to cost around $150,000, with a tax incentive, tax credit up to $40,000 per commercial clean vehicle. Look at these incentives. So companies like Pepsi, they go pile in there. They get the 40 grand tax credit, and they're laughing. And then they're cruising around in the cool trucks, and they get the couple stories, and then you and I come on, and we talk about, we have a couple screenshots. We're like, look at the Pepsi truck, and then somebody buys some Pepsi because they're not even sure why at that point.